Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add YouTube video for your site in Weebly. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just be in a build menu, and now you just want to find YouTube and just paste it. Okay, let's wait. Now we have it here. So first click on it and then just add here YouTube URL. I'll just find some Jordan Peterson video and a YB Virtues. Take it and now paste it. Let's go null 0 advanced size auto. Okay, spacing is fine, position okay. So here you got it, and quite simple.
Okay, so the question is, meaning the hijack.
So this is how you can add YouTube video. If you have any questions, guys, for Weebly, let me down below in the comments. I'll try to help you and give you some feedback. And yeah, thank you. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.